Hello, hello, hello. Music. Basically, I just realized today that like I was spending like a couple of hours trying to get my ideal cheap what's the name? Ideal cheap domain and okay, let me just play programming music. Obviously, this is something it's a must. I still didn't get sick of it, so there's still a couple of days I think that I will before I get sick of this music. But for now, it's still fine. Maybe I'll have to find some new tune, so some new tune will have to be found, obviously. Let's just promote this cast that I'm actually here. Create post here. Yeah, just so there's a message. I think it doesn't need to be the longest message. Let's just insert it. And actually, I was actually checking earlier because I'm throwing the same shorts as here, my shorts from here. I'm throwing them on TikTok, and today it ticked. I got some views. That was surprising to me because for many days there was nothing going on. Oh, whoa, look at this bloody cat. Oh, poor animal. Poor animal. Yeah, this doesn't look very good. No, this is fake. This is AI. Is it? Yeah, I think that's AI. Maybe not. Maybe it's real. I don't know. And see? 149 views. 114 views. I want to see.
No perfect stack.
I want to see statistics for that. This is amazing. See? How did I get this many? I mean, it's not that many, obviously. Like, there are millions. People get millions, but for me, it's a lot. I'm a TikToker now. I'm a real TikToker. I wonder, like, there was something about stats. But I'm a TikToker. Jesus.
There's no perfect stack.
No likes, obviously. And oh, there's one like from me now. Let's see if this one gets
I actually had a...
No likes, no comments. One like, at least from me. View analytics. Yeah, okay, so it's being played. It's good. At least it gets some views. Not that much. Yeah, most of the people don't watch beyond 7 seconds. No one is watching the full video. But I don't know. Maybe it makes sense to be there. I don't know. Or maybe it's just stupid. Maybe I should have a cat actually being scared to death by a hole in the ground. Or
there's no perfect.
Maybe what's this? Yeah, okay. This one at least gets a few more seconds. But there were people. There was one person watching it for like 4 or maybe 2. So yeah, I'm not really that popular here. So for you, okay, but still, I get interesting. Yeah, interesting. Okay, good. So I'm a TikToker now. From now on, I'm a TikToker as well as a YouTuber. I'm an influencer, multi-channel influencer. I think I will change this graphic here. I stopped liking it. I kind of made it on Canva just quickly. Maybe I'll just put those like this kind of, like here. No, not here. Yeah. Oh, somewhere here. No. Oh yeah, this was the one. I think I should use this. Yes, this is what I should use. Okay, so or maybe not. Yeah, that would be nice. I think like it would make my channel more popular, but I might be wrong. Oh, okay. So let's I back to my work. So basically, you are not here to watch women actually dancing. Obviously, you came here to watch me programming. Yeah, and that was the point that I started in the morning. I spent 2 hours on it, or like maybe an hour because I was talking a lot. and I haven't finished it. So what I will do quickly, what I will do quickly now, I will go to obviously do the quickest, dirtiest, and simplest solution, because I was trying to do the nice one, and for some reason I couldn't get it there, you know, like I couldn't get it up. Let's just pretend that there is something on the chat. We are talking here just to pretend that there is some activity. I'm a TikToker. And let's just celebrate that. We are celebrating me being a TikToker on the chat. I don't know how to do it even. How did it get there? Yay, yay. Okay, this one will be good. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. You can watch it yourself on your free time. I'm not gonna use my bandwidth, my internet to watch some women smiling and some cleavages, some nice cleavages. So for now, I will actually, sorry, I'll just switch this and just. Yeah. So no cleavages for now. We are back. We are back to render. So let's publish this my pixels and logic. I was trying actually this morning most of the day, and like maybe not most of the day, like an hour render. Any nice? No. Okay, let's not go there anymore. Like I think we've proven the point that oh, what's here? Pattern market 1. What's this? Pattern market. Oh, okay, so let's just delete this one. A week ago. Okay. We got it on sudo suspend static site market. Well, okay, and let's do this one as well. Service pattern market. Suspend that as well. Unfortunately, it's gonna go. Hi guys, how are you today? Like maybe some. Are you? I have no questions, to be honest, for now. I have some job to do, so let's just deploy pixels and logic somewhere here. And actually, because I don't want to spend more money on render, I will just do this, which is the simplest way. And pattern market, no. Product planner, sales pitch, no. PM admin panel. What was this one? Oh, actually, I think I know. Delivery planner, Garmin. Oh, this is cool project. Garmin node and fastpack sushi site. Jesus, so many projects. Where's the correct one? Presentation, gear site. I don't know what's this even. So many useless stuff. But I want to go to one that I'm actually I'm on. Where's the name? What's the name? Maybe I should actually. What was the problem? Because there's one shared with me basically. Credentials, connected, GitLab. No, there's 36 repo, but oh, okay. So probably that's GitHub, and the one is shared with me, obviously. So this is pixels and logic. So I might need to. Might need to code private fork. Oh, let's just fork it. But pixels and logic is available. Good. Create fork. Okay, I think this will be enough. So I was thinking like, do I have to like copy it now? That would be silly. So let's just now. I think it should actually, if it's forked, it should. Pixels logic. Yes. Good. Select project. No project actually. Actually, let's have it in the main one. Branch. I think it's main. And bundle website. So the name is probably a typo. And here, do we have any variables? I don't think like I have any. Yeah, let's deploy this lovely static side. Ooh, build. Build, yes, obviously. Does it need to be npm install, npm run build? Let's have pnpm actually. Because we are using pnpm. Build, or let's see actually, because it might not be in the folder called build. It might be open recent pixels and logic cd pan pnpm build. Next.js turbo pack. Let's see how turbo pack it is. Oh, what's wrong with you? Okay, do we need to pnpm? I don't know, will it work that way? Save dev. It seems to be picking up the same commands on npm. I think like pnpm is actually quite nicely written, because it's actually using, you can put there like anything that yarn accepts and npm accepts, so it's not really very opinionated, which is good, I think. So otherwise it will be a mess to use it. Ah, come on, what's wrong with this? Okay, maybe I need to install it. pnpm install. Is this okay? pnpm approved builds. Oh, yeah, let's see now. Build. Oh, no music. I hope it's not too loud. No, it shouldn't be too loud. I think it's just like way in the background. What's this? Where is it? Property project type does not exist in type. Okay. Additional. Project type. No, that's not the one. I mean, maybe. Probably not string. It's probably, should be an enum, but I don't know if it's a problem for me that much. Oh, okay, building, good. Oh, no, it's still shad cn. Cannot find module shad cn. I wonder what this shad cn, maybe. Okay, I don't need to do this. I think that's how it's gonna be called, yes. I would say it's probably this. Yep. Dependencies, okay. See now. I can run it locally, but then I can't build it without... Again, another... Okay, again. CN, okay, let's give it to AI. I think this is... It's not that hard, but like it's not that... I have this error on installing... Yeah. Okay. Is this something you're gonna fix? Yeah, okay. Package YAML. No package JSON. There is a package JSON. Oh, okay, now it's gonna be... Oh. I tried and it didn't work, and you try and it's working? Come on. Oh, okay, I need to... Do I have to choose something here? Okay, I think that's it. Choose the... Okay. Which is the build folder in this project? Yeah, I don't really get. I'm not really using Next, so I have to learn a bit. I don't know, maybe it says somewhere, but deploy on Vercel. Obviously, it's recommending you to Vercel. Okay. Source contains public static assets, images, locales. Next builds output. This? Which one should I? Yeah, I think like. Back. I think it's out, maybe. Should I use render as publish directory? Yeah, it says yeah. Okay, let's try that. Have some more lights here. Well, I think my skin looks funny here, but well, it's not showing me the statistics here. Yeah, maybe they're not worth actually looking at. I think they're not. So yeah. Yeah, back to the app. Out. Okay, so we go with out. Let's see if this will build. Yeah, let's try now. Are you gonna be smarter about that or what? Are you gonna build it or not? Let's see. Awaiting build logs. Yeah, just YouTube is reminding me not to show anything private. Good, thank you, YouTube. Getting some party there. Nice. Nice, people are partying. Build failed. Let's see what's wrong here. Running, pm install, run build, npm. Ooh, what's this? What's this script actually I'm trying to run? Where is it? It's environments? No, it's here somewhere, yes. N P P N P N P N P N P M P N P M. Save changes. Yeah, yeah. Looks funny. Funny error. Now it's gonna be working smoothly. Let's see what's new in the news actually. IT news. Today, Reuters. Let's see what Reuters says. What's hot out there? Inter results to spotlight turnaround efforts as AI data centers boost chip demand. It's one of those topics I have no idea what to even think. So move on. Like everything is about AI now. AI-driven SAP. US House panel vote bill give. Probably like everyone is looking at AI. Meta AI. Netflix, no AI? Ah, shit, no AI. Oh, AI. Phase out risk, high-risk tech draws fire on China's Huawei. Gates OpenAI. Like, look, like almost no news on anything except AI. And I know it's important. Medical AI startup. European telecos to get unlimited radio spectrum under EU draft. Who cares about the radio? Like, what's the... Who even cares about that anymore? Brazil Central Bank liquidates Banco Masters who will as MasterCard suspends cards. See, like, okay, one news with no AI. AI, Netflix, okay, that's obviously... This is cool. Oh, no, I don't want to click here. I just wanted to stop this. Variacy. Grok AI obviously is in hot water. App checks if you are dead or alive. Why would it do it? Why would Grok check if I'm dead or alive? That's probably nothing, but let's see. Oh, that's an ad. Okay, that's an ad. So I don't really have to worry. It's not important. We have an ad here. I can buy latex gloves. I can buy this thing. I don't know what this is, or this thing, which is 20 times more expensive than this thing, and 60 times more expensive than that. Was it 60 now? Yeah, 40 times. For Grok, getting an XAI is trouble to a Chinese app that checks if you are dead or alive. Okay, for Grok, getting XAI in trouble to a Chinese app that checks if you are dead or alive. This in Tech Weekly. Let's watch this. Maybe it's interesting, or maybe it's just like as always, nothing. It's probably nothing.
Elon Musk's XAI.
Okay, we obviously hate Elon Musk, so we're gonna bitch about him now. Oh, I'm not recording. Oh shit. Let's record that. It's fun. Let's see what Grok is doing. I will make a big thumbnail saying, okay, is Elon Musk in trouble?
From Grok getting XAI in trouble to a Chinese app that checks if you're dead or alive, this is Tech Week.
I think it's good if the app checks if you are dead or alive. Like if that person is going to use the phone and just like scroll, then the dead person that is scrolling the phone will not be able to buy anything online because he's dead, but scrolling the phone for some reason. So like, I think like that's a good check, I would actually make sure that the people that are using my app are not dead, which is good. Yeah, I think that's useful. Okay, that's useful.
Weekly. Elon Musk's XAI imposed image editing restrictions on all users of its Grok AI
Ooh, so what's wrong about that?
chatbot. It happened
Because like it's sometimes we want that. We want those restrictions, or sometimes we don't. Let's say why it's bad, or why it's good. Or maybe it's because Elon is bad. It happens.
after concerns grew when the service produced sexualized images.
Government. Okay. Oh yeah, I heard something about that. That people's in bikini or something, women in bikinis, which obviously now on should object to. Or maybe I misheard it probably.
And regulators from Europe and Asia had cracked down on sexually explicit content made by Grok.
Okay, so that's obviously they're cracking down. Important. I don't know why. Probably EU is always has problem with stuff. Okay.
XAI said it implemented measures to stop Grok from allowing the editing of images of real people in revealing clothing.
Oh, okay. So like people who used to generate images in Grok, yes, in revealing clothes. Okay, okay. This is the controversy. So now they won't be able to do it in Grok. They will have to go to some other website that will do it for them. And yeah, I know it's a pain, you know, because like Grok is obviously popular and you have an app, so it would be easier. And now you have to go to some Chinese website if you want to see, I don't know, who is famous now. Zendaya. If you want to see Zendaya in revealing clothing, then you would have to go to some other website, maybe some Chinese website that does some AI. Or maybe the worst of all, you might need to run your own server. That's even worse. So yeah, I think like that's a problem. Images of real people in revealing cloud.
US President Donald Trump imposed a 25% tariff on certain AI chips under a new national security order.
Did you notice that this is totally not related? This is just like the previous sentence was saying one thing about revealing. Okay, let's see how they're gonna connect it, or maybe they will not. Maybe it's just like a mystery, you know. We just have two people we hate. Like obviously we hate Elon Musk and Donald Trump. So let's try to smear them both. I think that's Reuters for us.
Grok from allowing the editing of images of real people.
Okay, so that's obviously bad. You know, we don't want real people to be in revealing clothes. Yeah.
Revealing clothing. US President Donald Trump.
Is this like next news? Are we like on the next news now? Because there was a Grok thing. Okay. Hot water. App checks if you're dead or alive. Elon Musk. Okay, I don't really get that now.
Imposed a 25% tariff on certain AI chips under a new national security order.
Okay, yes. So there are 25% on some chips, yeah.
Products affected include NVIDIA's H200 and a rival semiconductor from AMD.
So some people will have to buy more when they import. I mean, pay more. Although like they already pay a lot. So whatever. Less people will have to buy this crap. Obviously, like, I mean, crap. Yeah, I know it's top technology. But it's not that necessary to us, I think. It doesn't make us smarter or anything. It just kind of makes us spend more money.
The Trump administration argued the US is too reliant on foreign supply chains, which it called a national security risk.
Okay, whatever. That's US politics. But like, I don't really get that. How is it related to Grok? Okay, the Grok obviously is AI, so it's probably using those chips or whatever. But how is it related? Like one sentence finished that Grok is in hot trouble because of some revealing images of famous people, and the next one is about the chip price. Okay, I don't really get that. Sorry, Reuters. Like, I think you are trying to maybe manipulate me a bit, but let's see how it actually connects together, if ever.
The move targets a number of high-end semiconductors meeting certain performance benchmarks and devices containing them.
Yeah, good. Okay, team. Okay, maybe this is just. Oh, okay, so there's a bunch of news. Is it?
TSMC profits jumped 35% in the fourth quarter to 16.
Okay, so I'm an idiot actually. There's just multiple news, and I just thought that they're supposed to be connected. They didn't tell you that it's a new news, because I thought it's all Tech Weekly. Okay. Yeah, I'm an idiot. So that's obviously unrelated. Let's see all. Okay, so we already know that Elon Musk is in hot water, obviously. Whatever that means to him. Obviously, Trump raised some tariffs as always. And TSMC jumped by 35% fourth quarter. Good luck. Wow. Congratulations to TSMC. I don't know who they are even.
$15 billion.
Okay, Taiwanese chip. Okay, giant. Okay, so that now I know.
Taiwanese chip giant scored big from the AI boom and predicted more strong growth this year.
Nice. Okay, so probably you need to invest in that. But I'm not recommending that. Don't do that based on my recommendations. It seems like it's growing, and it's gonna obviously. We all know that it's gonna grow forever. Or are we? Will it? Or maybe not. It's not investment recommendation from me. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. I'm not investing in this thing. I don't know. Even if it would make me money, I don't know. I know too little about this thing.
Year.
Okay, let's see next news.
It further said it was working on building fresh US manufacturing capacity. TSMC, which counts Apple and Nvidia as major customers,
Okay.
announced plans last year
Oh, they must be rich as hell.
to invest $100 billion in the US.
Okay, good.
TikTok will roll out new age detection technology across Europe in the coming weeks.
Okay, obviously from today I really love TikTok because I've got some views on the platform. Although no one is watching beyond like 7 seconds of my videos, so whatever. I think but I'm still like a TikToker now, so obviously like I like TikTok and everything that they do is great.
The system analyzes profile information, posted videos, and behavioral signs to predict whether an account may be underage.
Okay, good. Now we want to know if kids are watching this crap. They're obviously watching lots of this crap, but we just want to stop them from that. Those dancing cats and stuff.
TikTok said flagged accounts will be reviewed by specialist
Yeah,
moderators
okay.
rather than automatically banned.
Okay, whatever it means, I don't know.
The rollout comes as European authorities look into how platforms
This obviously means nothing. If they're kids and they want to watch TikTok, they will find a way. Or they will just find another platform that does the same, shows the same crap, or maybe even worse, before it's banned in EU.
verify users' ages under strict data protection rules.
Yeah, they're kids. I watched, when I was a kid, I watched porn, and obviously it was banned. It was not allowed. I watched, what else? I watched like really scary movies, and not the scary movie comedy, but really, really bad horror movies. And no one stopped me from that. So I don't really expect kids to be stopped by some European Union thing from watching TikTok. I don't think it will happen.
And a new app has gone viral in China which checks if users are still alive.
Okay, yeah. Because obviously if they're dead, they will still use the app. Okay, that makes sense.
The app called Silima in Chinese translates as "Are you dead?" It's
Okay,
aimed
this is a joke app, obviously. Maybe I should think of one as well. It's aimed at people living alone and who live a solitary lifetime. So like, how is it like checking are you dead? Obviously, maybe it's okay.
at people living alone or who live a
Oh, okay. So this is obviously letting know people if you died, it will just text your grandma or something, saying okay you are dead because you don't respond to the messages. Okay, makes sense. That's how the app works. I thought it's a joke, but it seems like real legit app to inform people that someone is decomposing in their living room.
solitary lifestyle. It sends automatic notifications to an emergency contact if
This is great. This is something obviously very necessary in this day. For so many people, because there are so many people that live alone and they're sad and lonely, that if they have an app that will actually inform everyone that they're dead, at least for a moment, they can, those people might think about them. Nice. Good job, China.
if the user hasn't checked in for consecutive days. Downloads have surged, leading the firm to introduce a subscription fee and change its name for a global audience.
Good idea. Yeah, they have a good idea. They're gonna make a big dollar now. Congratulations. Yeah, so that was the news. As of me, I don't really get most of it because I don't really care too much about AI. I mean, I use it, but I don't think it's actually so great. I think it's good. It's good and useful. It's a nice tool, but like everything now is about AI. And browsing this page, it's obviously this is AI, 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 this is almost AI related, this is AI, this is AI, this is AI. No, this is AI, this is not AI. And is this AI? I don't know. and half of this is AI. So everything is obviously AI now, and every news is AI, and it took over our lives. Despite it's just like a freaking prompt in a couple of places, and AI is everywhere in technology now. So thank you AI for dominating this topic. It's a stupid deal. I'm just checking the jobs because some of them might be interesting. And it's not like I really want to go to a job, but I might need to pay my bills. Yeah. Let's get back to my render. If did it build? I think I've seen whoa, I had a guest. I had a person watching for a minute and then he left. So let's get back to my okay, tech world news. Okay, I don't care. So, nothing really special here. This is like everything is obviously crazy, but it's the same. Bit estimates strong defense business. Okay, I'm really boring. What's this? Again, I think it's the same error that I just had there. 3. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just try to fix that one as well. I've got this error on render now. I think do you think like, because I'm actually getting like really few views those days, and maybe I just got really boring, or maybe it's because I was a bit critical about the latest greatest tool from Google, and obviously YouTube is a Google thing. Might this be a reason? Because I think Google is the best thing ever. The Google is the greatest thing out there in the world, on the planet. I will have to release this as a video. I love Google, and it should promote my videos on YouTube because they're great, and Google is lovely and great, and it smells nice. So obviously, like and I said bad things. I obviously said that anti-gravity is not that exciting, which I didn't think. This is not true. I don't think that it's actually bad. I think it's great. I think it's the best thing ever. So Google, stop, send people back to my videos. I think you used to send me more viewers. Now you just don't send anyone. So if I wasn't nice to you, Google, see, like, okay, it just jumped. I just got 3 viewers. Google, I will be talking about Google just good today. So it will actually send me hundreds of people. And Google, I think I said that you smell nicely. That's fine. I think Google is the best company to work for, obviously, and I wish I could work for them. Despite I'm having an interview tomorrow, I think, and I didn't really prepare that much. And what else is Google good at? I think everything. I think it's the best things ever. So yeah, Google, stop banning my viewers. Stop stopping people from viewing my channel. Yeah, and this fits you. I love you. And I hope you'll get best presents from Santa Claus next year. So yeah, send people back again, please. And that was the news. And I'm a TikToker now, obviously. And if Google is not nice to me, I will move to TikTok. All my, 5 viewers that I sometimes get will move with me and will leave YouTube forever. Or maybe not. Okay, I think why do I have this free library? Yeah, let's see. Wow, it's actually adding so much crap. Schedule.js. Okay, this stuff. Let's just push that stuff. Update. More beautiful messages. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so yes, that's perfect. Git push And let's see if it's going to deploy it again. Is it going to deploy it again or not? Or do I have to like update my fork? That would suck. Do I have to pull on my fork or what? Oh. Let's see if actually... So this one I pushed to one branch. Do I have to one comment behind? This branch is one comment behind. Oh, okay, so I did that. Create pull request. Can I create pull request and merge it myself, or do I have to? Oh, okay. Whoops. This no. I don't need that. So this is actually not necessary. This deploy yarn. This will actually go to bin. Thank you, GitHub. You are not necessary here. Remove that crap. Oh, that crap. Commit, push. Chin. Hi, Mohammed. How are you again? I was just praising Google because they stopped sending people to my live stream, but now you appeared. So I think maybe it worked. Maybe I should be praying more to Google and they will actually be nicer to me. Because I'm starting to worry that there's only a couple of views on my live stream today. And I might have been, because I've been actually reviewing their anti-gravity, which I wasn't that impressed, but I'm actually really impressed again. I think it's great. So yeah, let's just see if this is actually going to be shown. Come on. Okay, so now that's less files, obviously. That one was unnecessary. File changes. Output export. I don't know why this. There's some diff here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Maybe that will fix it. Will it fix it or not? And another question, if I do pull request here, will it actually update on mine? I didn't work that much with forks. Did you figure out FTP issue? No, I'm actually going over that. I'm gonna deploy it to a different place and forget about the other server. And maybe one day I will just spend some time actually getting that one to work. But today for the, couldn't get it there. So I just gave up and just said, let's have it on render and let's get even more services to render. Obviously, I will be more dependent of their service. That's fine. I'm paying them anyway, so I will just pay the extra $1 now for another static site. Luckily, static sites are very cheap on render, and it's like $1 for each per month. So I will just do it there. And maybe I shouldn't really keep on buying new servers everywhere and trying to get them working. I should maybe learn how to make one work and just leave it there. That sounds like a good idea. Let's see if this deploy will work. Yes, deploy. Ooh, so that means that we have a website now, do we? Yes, we do. Yes, we have. Although this monitor and this graphic, so it seems like graphics are not all of them. SVG are working, but JPEGs are not working. What does it mean? What might this mean for our website? Who knows? All the images are not working. Okay. And I think my wife is coming back with my kids, so that might actually end this live stream quicker. Okay, deployed, but my images are not showing. Any ideas? Yeah, okay, let's just stop recording. I'll just use my news, because I was doing news today, the tech news, which didn't, again, I'm just bitching on different companies. I'm bitching at Elon, I'm bitching at Trump, all the best stuff. So that's why I'm actually very trying to win the market there of ideas, marketplace of ideas, as they call it. Yeah, so now FTP, I'm just cheating. I mean, basically, like, if I can't make it one way, I will just make it other way. I just need to have a website working probably within the next week, and spending another hour on trying to get this bloody FTP working. I might figure it out at some point, but I couldn't. So I know this way will work because I can see that it's already working here. So I just need to fix images. I think it's gonna... Okay, I'll be back in a second. It's yeah, sorry, I had to disappear for a minute. Although not that many people today, so that's a pity. Okay, take a break. Cancel. Okay, I can take a break here. Let's see if it's deployed and updated. Oh, I probably have to do a pull request now again. Do I? Pull requests. Code. Is there like a pull request I have to contribute? Open new pull request. Okay, that's how it works. And now we just update, merge pull request, confirm merge. I hope Kuba will not worry about. Make your repository public. Collaboration is free for open source and public repositories. No. No, I'm not. I think it's gonna deploy again now. Oh, I can go back to music again. Okay, although this is very quiet. Did I like make it some lady? Oh yeah, they seem to be in love. Back to my website actually. Is this merged or not? Is deploy done? Okay, let's see. No. Nope. Still not working. So AI didn't fix stuff. Or maybe it fixed one or a couple. I don't know. I don't see any difference now. No, nothing here. Okay, I think like maybe our URLs here are just messed up. Let's see how my friend Kuba has implemented that part, because it seems like there is a... they shit. Next, okay. So it's not there, obviously. Check file names. Yeah, okay. File names. I think I can already see that it's kind of messed up here. Images like this one. This is not an image URL. Or maybe it is actually, I don't know. Looks weird actually. I see that there is a space here, which is probably not necessary. Okay, let's just give it... yeah, let's just copy all of this. Yeah, I think this will actually edit as HTML. Applied URLs seem to be weird. So it might be the issue. Yeah, it is the issue. But I was actually checking how it's deployed, because I can see here that there are errors here. See, like there's this end sign that I don't feel like it knows how to implement. And then there's this. Yeah, this is kind of weird. And like I think this is weird. I know that Kuba was trying to make cool and great and responsive, but I think it's something with how Next is actually generating images, and maybe there is a error, or maybe there is a way to actually do it better on. Maybe that's just because it's Next. I don't know. I never had that problem, so I just need to find it out. This I don't get how the deployed URLs to images are working. This is one of the image tags and looks odd to me. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe that's just like a issue of Next issue or something on our website. Images unoptimized. That might be actually issue. Manifest JSON. Okay, I don't know what this is doing. Oh, and I have to actually give it like a. There's a. I love AI again. Maybe that's why I'm. I'm always like, in one hand I'm bitching on AI, but I think like what's great about it, just give it a prompt saying, fix my SEO, and it does it. It just kind of fishes out stuff from the page. You can check it later, and you should actually probably to see what sort of keywords it's promoting. But still, like, you're gonna get like really good SEO. All the tags that are necessary, you might get an implementation of that. Very nice. Very nice. And people used to pay lots of money or spend many hours trying to figure out what's the best stuff for your site, and now AI is just throwing this out there out of the box. So yeah, that's a great thing. We are beating some good records today, because like now I mean not today, like I have 3 people and I had one for over the most of the live cast. So good. I hope you watched actually my latest clips from yesterday. Actually, they're from yesterday, so if you've seen them yesterday, that's fine. I've published some new stuff. Yeah, you can check it if it's. Yeah, I can check that, obviously. I will. Let's do that. Although, let's see what it actually figures out, because yeah, it's thinking now. npm dev. Because on a local host, I can probably, it's obviously working, so that's why I assume that it's gonna be fine. That's the localhost 3000. Yeah, obviously here we have those images. Let's see how they're actually used. So let's, where is one of them? Where's my lovely image? Somewhere here. Can I expand it? No, what's wrong? Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's go to the side here and see this image. Okay, what's with this image? Style. Oh, this looks correct. There's nothing wrong about that. So I think it's actually in the build process, it does something funny to it. Because this is normal stuff. Although, like, I think I should actually ask Kuba to make sure that he shrinks these images, because that's not really necessary to upload. I think we can just go for smaller. And like me being old-fashioned, I guess, I'm gonna scrutinize that kind of thing. Can you check visible? Okay, Chelsea versus Manchester United, 2004, first game under Jose Mourinho. That might be interesting, but might be actually just distracting as well. Yeah, but it's actually changing that stuff into this stuff. So it's adding. I can see this. This is added here. This one. Image %2f, which is space, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Let's see what I actually figured out. If my AI was smart enough to. Oh, okay, it's still working on it. Project carousel. Unoptimized. Okay. Priority index. Okay. What about here? Still unoptimized. Good. Okay, so maybe that's a trick. Unoptimized true. Maybe that's a thing because it's optimizing them, and probably I can imagine that Kuba has spent some time to make them optimized, and that could have been like on purpose, and now I'm just breaking his website. Maybe that's what's happening now. I hope it doesn't. I hope he won't mind. Let's just have a... Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's see if it optimizes anything else. Yeah, this stuff looks correct, you know. That's the fun thing, you know. So it's obviously, for me, this is the corporate here. This is something most involved. So there's some sort of optimization, which is obviously correct. It's great if you do that, but maybe when you do it, when you launch it to Vercel, it actually knows what to do with it. But if you are doing like the other one, what am I using? Render. Maybe it doesn't like render because render is competition, and Vercel and Next are the, you know, the brand, the company, the same thing ever. What happened to my? Okay, here F12. I can't expand this. Yeah. Yeah. What's this? Why can't I resize this now? Responsive. Yeah, it should work. I can't drag this. It's funny. Oh, here. Oh, okay. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. MVP in 5 days. 5 dni. As Polish would say. Yeah, let's see what's now happening with my AI. Lords. Thinking. Okay. Elon is thinking a bit too long today, I think. Starting. Ready. Something. Not working. So yeah. Still have some problems, I guess. Maybe I should watch some ladies dancing. Yeah, I think that's a good one. That's a good replacement to my... Or maybe not those... No, maybe not men, but like, that's probably nicer. That's pretty good. Sweet. For now, while my AI is working on it, I will actually just have a pick on that. Some guy, some girl. Good. Okay, back to work. No? Still thinking? It's actually analyzing lines 1 to 50 of enhanced hero. And that's... I did it quicker, see? Like, I'm quicker than AI. I think it's looking into this line now. And it doesn't know what to do with it. Oh, because it's optimized false. Layout. Next. Unoptimized. So should it be optimized true or unoptimized true or okay, optimized false equals unoptimized true. Yeah, let's see how it works. Looks odd actually to me. Yeah, while AI is thinking, I'm gonna watch this again. Why not? You know, like, yeah, like this stuff. Yeah. And don't say I'm sexist. I'm just a man. A bit of a pig as well. Yeah, I can see that my audience is growing now. So good. Like when I'm showing you some cleavages of women, you're appearing. You're coming. Oh yeah. You're showing up. See, that's actually what I'm gonna show you now. This is our... Yeah. That's what we're gonna show now. Girls actually painting their lips with cherry. and trying to figure out why this bloody thing shows that way. Because this is silly, like, why would it add this character? So 2% to F is space or what? What's this? ASCII. Is it ASCII? / character. So why does it take actually? Okay, so no, it's 2F. No, those not. There's other band that has copyrights and this one doesn't, which is why I play that. But there's actually other one. There's actually this one, and concert versions are fine, so I can play the concert versions, but I cannot play their like real their normal songs. But this one I can, and it's not complaining. So yeah. You remember the song where they were actually washing clothes at the river? My favorite one. Women actually happy women at the river, and I would show it many times, and then I would get strike all the time. Stroke, I don't know. And now I just okay. So like for some reason when it's actually building my project, it's replacing my my slash characters with 2F. Stupid. Stupid. See? Oh, but like no, but it's 2F. No, it's 2% F, so it's not slash. Because it has some slashes. Maybe it means F means forward. And other one would be backward, I don't know. Who knows ASCII? Who speaks ASCII? Yeah, okay. Often seen as 2% to F in web addresses. Yeah, okay. So yes, that's a forward sign. So it's replacing some forward signs, and don't know why, with some forward slashes with this crap. Don't know why. Looks silly. Oh, did it stop thinking or try again? Sorry, request failed. Try again. Okay, go Copilot. Why didn't you not fail earlier? Project carousel. I think that might fix it. You know, it's trying to be too smart, I guess, for my project. Maybe my project shouldn't be that smart. Maybe it's a stupid project that should be done with stupid tools. Allow. Although I can probably play that song. Rocky Chanka. No, not this one. Where is it? Chanka. Is it this one? Yeah, okay. I want to play the one where they are washing clothes at the river. Where is it? No. Okay, no, nowhere to be seen. Oh, yeah, I have it. I wonder if I can just show video. No music. Yeah, I can show the... I will have a copyright strike, obviously, but I will deal with it later. Okay, back to the allowed music. Let's get back to allowed music, because we obviously prefer that instead of just doing copyright claims all day. Actually, let me add this to my save to playlist. I don't think it's actually on my programming music playlist when they are doing stuff. Yeah, oh, okay. Actually, I don't need to watch the other one because I can see women working here, doing laundry as well. Not in the river. I think in water here. Still nice. Still lovely. So, okay, I don't really have to watch the other one. Stream belonging to someone else. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just informed that I shouldn't be watching other people's videos. So that's what my AI just no my OBS informed me. Or no, that's YouTube informed me. Okay, why are you watching that, dude? Why do you have to watch some other people's videos? Where there's so much cool stuff I can show. Okay, let's just go here. Okay, is this fixed? Let's just see how it's fixed. Oh, actually, I know. Okay, sorry, it's probably too loud. It's probably too loud to you guys, so let me just make it quiet. Oh, that's only 5% of... Yeah, let's have it up. Okay, maybe a bit louder here on my headphones now. Yeah, okay. Hopefully... Oh, again! Heads up! We detected videos. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay, so it doesn't like that. When I'm actually showing it that way, I'm getting like info that, you know, you're showing other stuff. You're showing other people's stuff. Stop doing that. Yeah, okay, let's see if I deploy this this lovely thing. Will it actually update? Will it actually fix that image issue? Yeah, and that's a GitHub thing. Yeah. Pull requests. Add translation. Okay, that's from Cuba probably. New pull request. Oh, come on again. Okay, I don't know what's this. Failure. Okay, I don't need that. Just trying to deploy it to something. That's my daughter crying. But like kids cry all the time. Pushing my kids, I think. New pull request. What would it? Did I push? Or maybe I forgot to push again. No? Nothing here? What? Where's the code? Okay, merge branch, main. Can I create that kind of branch or what? I get confused when I'm actually... Maybe I should just change on... No. I shouldn't change it only on my fork, because that would be... That wouldn't be good. Maybe I should use branches. Add translation. Okay, so I can see that it's here. Then it doesn't like the fact. Access to projects versus create deployment. Oh, do we have it on Vercel? Oh shit. But that doesn't matter to me, actually. Add translations. Where is it? Where are you? You bloody thing. So we just okay, so I published that. I obviously pushed this. And before it worked when I was pushing straight to main. And now it doesn't seem to. Doesn't like the fact that I'm... Yeah, I don't know. Shit, what's wrong with this? I need to do like a new pull request or what? Let's see actually my fork. No. Pixels and logic. If I... No. No, that doesn't seem to be a fix. Actions, pull requests. No. I don't know. Worked a couple of times, worked twice, and then it doesn't work now again. Or maybe it just deployed now? I don't think so. Jesus, my daughter is like... She's like 3.5 years, and now everything is again, like she's like What's this? How do I actually merge it? Because it used to work. So she's crying about all the stuff now. But that doesn't. No, I merged that. Okay. Commits into from. Oh no. So now I can't really make this work as well. Oof. Deployments are fun. You know, like, but I worked in places where it took 3 days to fix deployments or even more. It's not like the longest now if I make it work, but like it's funny because like, I mean, maybe not funny. Oh yeah, contribute now. Sync work. Yeah, let's sync update branch. Oh, okay. Did I commit this to mine? No. Contribute. No new commits yet. Okay, so what do I... Okay, that's mine. Maybe I should work on my fork instead of the other one. Yeah, as I'm saying, I don't really have that much experience with working with forks. With forking things. Maybe now it's actually gonna see it. No. Yeah, before it was showing it here, but now it doesn't like the fact that I'm actually... Because we have it on Vercel, but like Vercel obviously is... That's probably not up to date, is it? It doesn't look up to date. Yeah, that looks like an old version. Let me just create a branch, actually. I will just pull the latest version from here. And then I will create a branch. Create, or maybe backfix. Oh. Image. Yeah, let's just publish branch and see if it's gonna pick it there. Pull requests, maybe? New pull request. Create pull request. Okay, image backfix. Let's try this one. There isn't... Yeah, oh. There isn't anything to compare. How come? There's a lot to compare. I had like a bunch of files. And that weren't actually deployed. Priority to first. Images, okay. Okay, let's just try to force it. Up. I don't understand because the stuff wasn't actually merged and wasn't built. I can see that. Oh no, it was actually Pixel and Logic. Yeah, it was. So why didn't it ask me to? Oh yeah, now it's working. Good. Good, fixed. I think I have to fix my family stuff because my daughter is crying the hell out of her lungs. On render, or maybe I should just connect like the domain as well. Let's do that while she's crying. I'm such a good father. But I'm really not gonna help there. This is the worst thing I could actually. Pixel and logic.eu. Save, and we're gonna come to again because I've done it already, so I can now Pixels and Logic. I will have to check how I've done it before on the other one. Render Pixels and Logic, and I've done it on Product Planner Frontend Pro. No, Planero. That's not it. Maybe this one. Okay, that no. I have a Planero, which is a a version of my backend, of my front end, which I will have to actually make work. Yeah, yeah, great. Working, although like I still wanna, so that's a sales side. Let me just check how I did it here with all those DNS, because I spent many hours actually trying to get the DNS working. And I think like, well, what did I do here? Do I have to like custom domain limit reached by my workspace, for my workspace? Pixels logic, planner size. So okay, well, how much is upgrade? Hobby, okay. $19. Shit. Why did I deploy it there? Shit. Ah, fucking hell. Like, or is it the limit? Is limit 2 or 1? What's the limit? 4 or fucking, learn more. Let's see what's the limit. You can apply custom domains to render static sites, services, comment and render. How many I have on the... Jesus, my daughter is crazy. Okay, what's the... it doesn't say, obviously. Oh, okay, I think I have to take care of that. So unfortunately, I will finish for now. I think maybe she's laughing now. I don't know. I think she's crying about some sweets and stuff. How many domains I can do? Oh, 2. Okay, yeah, I can have 2 out of 2. That's fine. I can still go with that. Something I'll just create new one or something, or pay for another one. I don't know. Or just maybe I will just do one more server. I don't know. It's just like I have too many servers now. It's crazy. It's getting annoying actually. I should actually. But I also don't want to pay like $19 to render, because I think it's overpriced. Just for like applying multiple domains. I can do it for free on the other one, and I just have to figure out the FTPs, which is way cheaper, obviously. This is actually a good address even. Okay, but I can... Okay, let's just do that now. So Planner Online, that's not the one. So records, I think... I think that should be actually quite easy. Is she laughing or crying? I don't know. Okay. Maybe it was... No, it was actually here in panel. Okay, maybe just... No? Okay, let me just see it on the other screen, so I'm not sharing something. Login? No. Oh, okay, now, yeah, working. Ish, you know, I need to obviously confirm on my email. It's 2-factor, obviously. Okay, whatever. Shut up, Verso. Okay, so now I have my domains here. And I've actually set up that one. Oh no, I've set it up on the other one. Oh, so it's even easier. Oh, .pl. I don't even have to check that. Okay, I broke the deployment, build failed. Yeah, that's cool. No problem. Yeah, so I have my domains here. And where are my domains? Here. Where are my lovely domains? And this one. And łącznik dla usługi, działania. Okay, let's see what I've done here. DNS, is it? Don't know. Which one I did change? Did I have to? Because I've actually done the online here, yes? Planero online, yes, this one. Zobacz podsumowanie. Oh, I think it's here actually. Yes, I was struggling for a while with that one. And that was like DNS somewhere here. Okay. So I just have to do C name and A. Okay. Let's open the same thing here. In the other tab, obviously. Oops. And oh, why? Why do I have to like log in multiple times? Yeah, are you there? Yes. So like, it's gonna log me in here? No. Let's go to domains again. Pixels and logic, and this one. Oh no, no, not here. DNS. No. Oh, actually, yeah, I can do that even here. So if we go here. Ooh, look how many I put there. CNAME. Okay, so CNAME is Planero, which is obviously this one. Pixels and logic on render. Edit. Here we're gonna edit it to this. Shit, this is wrong. Okay, let's go here, here, and I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh no, no, that was not. Nope. I'm sure it was looking different. Hey. Okay, let's just change this and like we have it on the other one. So so that's the one, and CNAME we go to here, to here. And I don't know if I need all of those other. Oh, because I probably have an email there, do I? Or maybe even multiple emails. That might be a reason. Edit. Yeah, okay. Maybe this one. Maybe that's the one, and maybe do I need the dot at the end? Dot, yeah. That's how I did it other day, so I think that's it. And maybe edit and time, let's make it 60, because otherwise it's gonna take forever to update it. And 60. I don't know what that even means, even, to be honest. So yeah. Okay, so we got 60 here, 60 here. And like I think like in a minute I will be able to check it here and verify it on the render. Yeah, that's a beauty of different servers and different wherever environments. That can be a pain sometimes. Yeah, that can be a pain. Okay, back to my admin panel. Let's see. So I think I can close this, close this, close that, close that. Ah, the average girl. Okay. Yeah, they love money. They love money, those people. I wonder if it's gonna show me that it doesn't like the fact that I'm showing YouTube other stuff. Okay. Can we verify now or not? Let's verify now. Verify. Certificate pending. Okay, I think we are fine. And like this one as well. So now it's gonna be pending certificate, obviously, because it might need to check it. Although I know that I actually had some problems with SSH certificates here on this server. And I might need to do SSL. Sorry, not SSH, SSL. Planner online. And I think this one is launch auto. Yeah, I think I need to install on server now again, because that's, I know I have those problems all the time now with those SSL. Yeah, okay. It said that it was installed correctly, so I gonna assume that it's installed correctly. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be finishing soon because I've done actually what I thought it will. I mean, what I think is actually what I wanted to do. Yeah, let's see now. Certificate, yeah, okay. Yeah, so it should be actually, is it working? It's so quick actually. Yeah, so we have it working. Good, I will send it to Kuba, who is my buddy on that project. And so that's actually done, which is good. I love completing tasks as well. Not only talking about completing things, I love also getting things done somehow. Yeah. Yep, good. That's enough for today. Maybe I will be back in the evening to edit some videos. I don't know. We'll see. I think I have enough of success for one day. We don't want to have too much success in a day. So yeah, thanks guys for coming. And I enjoyed working on this thing. And look, it's working. It's there. And it's pretty. I think it's a pretty site. Yeah, it's a pretty site. With unoptimized images, but whatever. we can live with that. Okay, thanks for coming.